share with you. Hi, everyone. Good evening again, and welcome again to another evening where I'm going to show you all an opportunity where we can make money or we can earn from the comfort of our home. First of all, my name is Shireen Lalu, and I'm all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. So, first of all, ever is disclaimer, I am in no way responsible for the monies that you invest in this company. Secondly, you risk what you're willing to lose. And also, I am not giving a financial advice to anyone, but I'm just sharing with you this opportunity. But you have to do your due diligence, do your background check, and make the right decision. So, what is this an opportunity that I'm about to share with you? So, this opportunity is from a bank called Shao Bank. Shao Bank looking to the future and financial independence. So what is Shao Bank? So Shao Bank is a digital platform and they employ more than 1,000 qualified employees to provide the highest level of customer service. They are also on LinkedIn, all the different social media sites, YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, so they are also on all of those social media. And the bank founder is Yang Shao, and we'll show you all a picture of them later on. So Shao Bank is a universal technology-driven bank focused on serving customers around the world. So what is a neobank? So since Shao Bank is in the class of a neobank, it's very important that we understand what is a neobank. And to simply explain, it's a fintech company that provides banking services only digitally through its mobile app and website. Other names are digital virtual banking. Simply put, it is a bank that exists entirely online with a website, and there are no physical branches. So they have a lot of advantages in the sense that you don't have to travel, you don't have to go X, Y, and Z to find this bank, but you can just find it on the tip of your fingertip, as long as you have an internet and it can be accessed all around the world. So Shao Bank formation, they took place in August 2022, and their vision is to be a bank of high reputation and have world-class customer service. Their mission is to provide an exceptional value to their partners and customers. They value excellence, professionalism, and efficiency development of new technologies. So their bank was purposefully created to operate in any economic environment. And they are also a member of the Association of Banks in Hong Kong and a member of the Compulsory Deposit Insurance System. Right. So what we have here is their legal framework. So we're going to look at Shao Bank legal framework. And yes, give us a second while it loads up. Okay, so all of this can be accessed. So on your documentation, this is their website. So on their documentation, you'll see their legal status of the Shao Bank. They have the certificate Hong Kong number. They're also registered in the United Kingdom, and this is their number as well. And all of this is on their website. You have a certificate of incorporation. We also have their certificate of insurance, which is from Go Insurance as well. Right, so all of these here, you will find a certificate of incorporation of private limited company as well. They have their certificate number. Okay, so all of that is there. Okay, so next slide takes us to Shao Bank is part of the Global Future Enterprise Group Corporation ecosystem with a history dating back to 2006 and the financial partners since 1988. Right, so the monies that Shao Bank receive from the sales of bonds is directed to the development of traditional businesses, and these are the businesses that the bonds that they issue, the bonds that they go towards these companies. Financial partners, that is an investment company. We also have Universal Century, that's an advertising agency, Go Insurance, insurance company, and we also have Global Future Technology and Culture. That's a high-tech class A enterprise actively cooperating with the Chinese Academy of Sciences. So we want to look a little bit about their roadmap and takes us to their roadmap. Right, so Shao Bank was formed in August 2022. As we can see here, the formation was in August 2022. And in September 2022, we also have here the opening of the bank ensuring their rights and legitimate interest of creditors and borrowers. So we also have the timeline of what they hope to achieve. And right now we are in 2023, and so far the timeline, they have their plans straight down to, going straight down even beyond 2027. We have up to July 2031, right? So this is their plan for July 2031. So all of that you can find it in their website, and it's underneath roadmap. So that is where we are right now. Okay, so we discussed that. But they have plans not just for this year, not for next year, but on to straight on to 2031, and that is good news. So we want to look at their financial statement. So if have their financial statement underneath their banking, and this will take us to. So underneath here in their banking, you will see here bank's financial report, and this can be accessed by anyone, right? So their bank, so you're going to take a look at that. Let's just get open up, right? So the financial report for 2022. So they would have started in August. They formed in August and started to be trading from that point until December 2022. And this is their financial report for that period, right? And we also have here and here their mission, their vision as well. This is Mr. Chin Lee. He is the director. Right, so we also have our roadmap for the coming years as well. That's also in the financial report. Also, right, so these are the key positions of the people that are in charge of Shao Bank. We have the bank founder, which is Mr. Yang Shao. We have Rong Tang, she is the chief bond expert. We have Kai Tang, he is the chief legal counsel. Mr. Chen Li, managing director, and Shu Ying Li, deputy director. So these are the people behind the scenes. These are the people that control our investments. Okay. So all of this can be accessed on their website, and it is there for everyone to look at and make your decision. Right. So right. So what does this bank provide? The Shao Bank business proposition. They provide bonds, deposits, loans, insurance. There's a token system. There's also advantageous referral program. There is also the marketplace with cash prices. So we're going to go a little and talk about what is one, what this bank provides for us, and how we can access the services that they provide. So first of all, they deal with bonds, right? So they buy into bonds and we receive weekly payments. They have bonds currently for 3 years. The maturity is 3 years time, but we receive our weekly payments as well, right? So we're gonna look a little to there. So underneath bonds here on their website, you're gonna see here that they have bonds, right? Right, so currently we have 4 bonds in circulation. There is 2 bonds that is of limited, limited, it's limited in the sense that you can only cash, purchase it up till November of this year. So this is limited. So this bond is the CC 2379. and also the DD 3267. So these are bonds that this is limited in their in series at the moment. So these bonds is maturing in 1 year time. So these you can purchase these bonds and you can get a weekly payment. So the first one is the CC 2379 that is yielding 0.55% per day and it's maturing in 1 year time. The DD 3267 that is maturing in 1 year time and you're receiving 0.65% per day. Okay, so this is here, you see here the amount here and you see what it is, right? So we also have the AA 3391, that bond is yielding 0.45% and maturing in 3 years time. We also have the BB 1720 and that is 0.4% and it is yielding 0.4% per day and it's maturing in 3 years time as well. So you can see here your income and you can see the lifetime yield per bond, right? So and there's a minimum of 10 bonds each. All of these is going out. So you want to take advantage of these bonds, the ones that is limited and where you can earn quickly. All right, so this bond, these are the bonds here that we're offering. For those of you all who have bonds that before the series, remember those bonds, they are fixed and you will still be getting your weekly payments, your weekly dividend payments. You will still be getting that and until those bonds mature, right? So even though you're not seeing those bonds here, for those of you all who came in earlier on our platform, who came in before these bonds were issued, those bonds are still in use, right? So even though you're not seeing it, remember, you are still getting payment on those older bonds that would have been in series. All right, so this is what the bank has to offer in terms of bonds. And remember, you can withdraw your profits at any given time. You can withdraw your profits at any given time. You don't have to wait until the 1 year or wait until 3 years. You can withdraw it every week as per se, right? So remember the minimum to withdraw is 7 USDT per bond, right? On your card. Okay, so how do you withdraw as well from the platform? You withdraw, minimum withdrawal I said is 7 USDT. So, and it goes straight into your Shao Bank card balance. Everyone has a digital card, as long as you sign up with Shao Bank, there is a free, as long as anyone signs up now, there is a free, you're getting a airdrop of 999 tokens instantly to your account. And remember, Shao Bank is a referral-based program in the sense that you need a referral link to come on to our platform. Okay, so when you come onto the platform, each person who signs up, you receive instantly in your account 999 tokens in your account. That's the incentive that everyone will receive. Okay, and that is free. And also, when you sign up and you fund your account, as long as you become a bond holder and you fund you purchasing bonds, you get to and you get your passive income every week and your income accumulates. You can withdraw at 7 USDT. That's the minimum withdrawal so far with the currency that we use. There are different currencies as well that you can withdraw in terms of the cryptocurrency, and that will also be at a different minimum withdrawal, right? You can also transfer from one account to another account free, right? So these transfer, you transfer instantly and at no commission charge. So someone wants to come on the platform or you want to fund someone else's account, you can do so with through your account, right? So you don't need to just withdraw physically also, right? So this is one way of moving your monies from your card. So with your Shao Bank card, as I said, it's a digital card. So far, it's only available in terms of physically, it's available in Hong Kong. But for those of us who are outside of Hong Kong, it is available to us digitally. So you have, just like a credit card, you have your CVC code, you have your expiry number as well, your expiry date on it as well. And one thing to note is that you can go into your account and also set these two-factor authenticator in your account to make your card more secure, and even change your CVC code as well, so that in this way your card or your account is more secure, right? So right now the minimum to start is all right, so is 400 HKD, which is around 51, 52 USDT to start in terms of purchasing the bonds, which is 400 HKD to purchase at the lowest bonds, right? So how do you make money with your bonds? You open your digital bank account, and it is free, as I said earlier on, and it doesn't take long to do. And remember, you need a referral link to come on to our bank, as I said. Right, so you also have your certificate, you have your purchase agreement, and it is digitally. You also get your bond certificate, which your how much bonds you hold, right? So, and you receive your weekly income. It is a steady income, and you receive that in your account, and you can withdraw your profit, as I said, at any time. All right. So there are also deposits in your account. Right, so just as how the banks provide bond, Shao Bank provides a deposit. So it's like a fixed deposit. You place your deposit into the bank. It could go from between 1 year to 10 years, and the rate is 11.5% per annum. Right, so deposit is a conservative way to preserve and increase your capital. You can make a deposit and you can withdraw your profit in your digital banking. Your profits are credited to your Shao Bank card balance monthly, as opposed to the bond, which is on a weekly basis. So with the deposit, it is credited to your account on a monthly, and you deposit from as little as 800 HKD. And your investors, meaning you are free to choose the amount that you deposit and the term, meaning if it's for 1 year or if it's for 2 years, up to 10 years. You are free to choose the amount that you deposit and the terms. And the interest rate is flat and it doesn't exceed, right? And the bank also participates in the deposit insurance system, and it guarantees the safety of your investment. Right, so just as a bank provides loans, Shao Bank provide loans. Loans in terms of three categories. We have the mortgage loan, consumer loan, and your business loan. So just as with loans, the bank has a credit rating. So the bank has a credit rating. They will check your credit history. So every person who signs up now in your account, you will see there is what you call credit rating, your credit score. So as long as your credit score is from 1, you will be entitled to receiving loans, and also based on your income as well. So we have loans going from mortgage loan, which is the terms, all of the loans is a term of 1 year. And the mortgage loan, the interest rate is 9%. And the amount from which it goes is 200 each because this is Hong Kong dollars we're talking about. So it can be converted, and you will also see it in the USDT value on your card as well, right? We also have consumer loan. The consumer loan, their interest rate is 16.5%, as well as business loan. So those of you all in businesses, you have your business and you want to expand in your business, yes, you can get loan, and the interest rate is 14.5%, and the term is 1 year. So all you have to do to apply, you must have your credit rating score, and you also, the credit rating score is determined by the referral program as well, meaning you as a investor, you as a client in Shao Bank, you must also have your referrals, meaning that you have to bring in more people into the platform. You have to invite people on the call. You have to let people be part of Shao Bank through your referral link, and in that way your credit score, your credit rating will increase, and in that way you can also be qualified for a loan. So you fill out the form digitally within 24 hours, the bank will get back to you. So insurance, they also have it co-insurance. So you can retain confidence in the future. The insurance policy, you'll discover a peaceful and prosperous life regardless of the circumstances. Co-insurance provides financial support for you and your family no matter what happens. So you can check out all of this on their website, www.goinsurance.hk. They also have health and life, account insurance, and business insurance. So Go Insurance, the total insurance fund is HK 18 million. That's all. Right. So we also have the affiliate program, and this is also an opportunity to build your career. Right. So you don't have to go far in order to build your career. You can build your career through Shao Bank. So how do you receive? So you receive your tokens, and you can also build your career like that. So you can build your career and you can receive tokens, right? And these tokens can be exchanged on the marketplace, and you can see where you can get cash back into your Shao Bank card balance, or also you can use it to level up in terms of the referral program, in terms of your building your business. So you can invite a friend to become part of Shao Bank, and you will be rewarded. So you just don't sit and receive all the benefits as well. You invite people on your call, people who want to make money just like yourself from the comfort of your home. You can invite them and let them buy into the product of the company in terms of the bonds, and you will be rewarded. Yes, you will be rewarded. As long as they sign up, you will be rewarded. Right, so the business, they are 10 tier reward system. And as long as one signs up with your referral link, they receive a 999 tokens free in their account. You also receive tokens into your account, into your balance, and you also receive funds. As long as they fund their accounts in terms of buying in bonds, you receive 20% of their bond purchase, right? So you receive that instantly in your account. Right, so your Shao Bank card is automatically credited with 20% of your partner bond purchase over 10 levels. So you have the 10 levels starting from 7% all the way down to 0.5% at each level, right? So everyone can participate in the first level. This is level 1 and it's open to all. So you can participate on that. So as long as you receive your tokens, you can purchase in. On level 2 here, you see here 3%, and you use your token from your token balance, 700 tokens to go up to receive 3%. Meaning that this person who you invite on, your partner that you invite on the call, you invite to be a part of Shao Bank, they in turn invite someone and they purchasing in the company product, you in turn will receive from that purchase as well. Right? 3% of what they purchase. And they in turn invite someone and it goes down the way like that, right? Up to level 10.5%. So you share your referral link and you can watch your income grow by creating a business network. You can control the network of existing partners and invite new ones to increase your limits, right? So there's also on your account, as long as you sign up, you will see there's graphs. They're showing you the transaction history. You will also see statistics of your business, how your business is working. You also have all of that available on your digital banking. Right. So you receive tokens, and your tokens can be spent profitably on the marketplace. So you'll have a T balance, meaning a token balance. So this is a bonus account in digital banking. It is replenished when your partners buy bond. You get as well too, right? You get tokens as well. Also, you participate as long as you are a bond holder of Shao Bank. You participate in the bank. I would say the bank competition. The bank has their competition every month, and they have incentives as well, as long as you are a bondholder, and we receive tokens when we participate in in their promotion, in their competitions. That is what is there, right? So we receive tokens from participating in the bank as long as we are a bondholder, right? So when you receive these tokens, as I said, you can use it to level up in terms of making in your networking, or you can buy cases with your cash rewards on the Shao Bank marketplace in your digital bank. So you accumulate your tokens and you buy reward cases. So when we talk about reward cases, reward cases go from all the way from common to immortal. So your common case will value from 1,000 tokens. So as long as you have 1,000 tokens in your account, you can purchase a case, and those case will be that case will be exchanged between, you can get back between $4 to 40 HKD in your Shao Bank card instantly. Okay, so you go on your marketplace in your account and you will see what is available based on your token. You can purchase, if you have 1,000 token in your account, you can purchase this common case. And it goes all the way to 1 million token, right? So you have the rare case. We also have the mystical case. We have the legendary and the immortal case. So as you can see, from what token you can use, right? From what value. So you have 100,000 tokens, you can purchase your rare case. You can accumulate your tokens to reach this amount and purchase on the rare case. So with the rare case, you get around 800 to 2,400 HKD value on your case that you purchase, which goes straight to your Shao Bank card balance. So this HKD is also converted on your account. You will see it reflected on the relevant USDT value. Okay, so we also go straight to the mystical, the legendary, and the immortal. So this way in terms of receiving the gifts, you receive gifts, it's always a pleasure to receive tokens you earn. You get so much incentives when you're part of Shao Bank, and you exchange it and you get back cash value in your account. So not just you get in your passive income weekly, you also get this on a daily basis. And one thing to note is that as long as you accumulate your tokens, your common cases or direct immortal cases, these cases, they tend to reset every 24 hours. So you could purchase, you have, say for instance, you have 10,000 tokens in your account. Today you purchase 1,000. When this clock set back to 24 hours after, you purchase another 1,000, another common case. So this is how it works. And instantly you receive your cash in your card, right? And you can withdraw that at any given time. So we may ask yourself, why should you choose Shao Bank? So first of all, Shao Bank, it is innovative. It focuses on innovation as a way to make your customer experience as seamless as possible. They have endless opportunities for growth as well. They are profitable. They have their personal business for growth as well as credit as well. And they can also be accessible throughout the world. So citizens of all countries can access the bank service from anywhere in the world. It doesn't be limited to just Hong Kong. Throughout the world, as long as you have internet, you have a smart device, a laptop, a phone, computer, you can access Shao Bank. You don't have to travel X, Y, and Z to get to this bank. You can access this bank from the comfort of your home, and you can do your banking and receive your funds, right? So they're convenience. And they purchase bonds, you can open your deposit, you can take out a loan, you can do to set up your business, you can do all of these, and all of this can be done through digital banking. And all of this can be accessed there on their side. So with Shao Bank, it is easy to earn a steady income, save for retirement, and secure a decent future. So just to recap, you can deposit money at 11.5% per annum. You buy bonds and you receive weekly payments. There are the two bonds that's going for 3 years, and there are also the bonds we have the two that is circulating right now up to November, and those are going for 1 year. So those of you who have your funds and you're ready to make fast income, those are the bonds you want to look at, right? To purchase on. And the interest rate is fixed. If they stop issuing the bond, that doesn't mean that they stop paying out, because it will, as long as Shao Bank is existent, it will continue to pay until it matures, right? And you can earn with minimal participation. You can build your business network. You can receive bonus tokens and cash up to 20% of your partner bond purchase. And one thing to note is that their deposits are insured, and you can be assured of the return of the deposit amount and payment of all interest. They have their repayment incentive in terms of for the loans, you can reduce your lending rates on the individual terms and private individuals and legal entities. And the digital banking supports the ability to analyze the financial transaction. You can track your profits. You can monitor the performance of your business as well digitally. So remember those things. With Shao Bank, you can do all of that from the comfort of your home. You don't have to go into the bank and let the bank print out of statement, so you can see all of that on your account. So remember, those of you all who have not participated, who are in Shao Bank at this point and who have not participated in the activities or the competition that we have that's going on, you can participate and earn your tokens and receive your cash back, right? So remember that. And all new signs up, all new referrals, all persons who have signed up, it is free, and you're receiving that airdrop in your account of 999 tokens. So you want to take advantage of it before it's gone. Okay, so remember, you want to keep up with the times and you want to be part of Shao Bank, where you can earn just as how most of us are earning and most of us are cashing out, you can earn as well, right? So this brings me to my end of my presentation, and I want to thank you all for coming on the call tonight, this evening. And remember that I'm not in any way responsible for the money you invested. This is an opportunity. You do your homework, you do your task, and you make the right decision. You make the choice. And remember, the bank is the one that is responsible for the monies that you invested. Okay, so thank you all once again for coming and call. You want to be a part of this bank that making money that is being so influential and so beneficial in most of our lives. You can contact the person that invites you on this call, let them know you're ready to sign up, and they can get you on board. Any questions you have, you can reach out to the person that invites you on this call. All right, so thank you again and have a good evening.